Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making Big Mac casserole. Now this dish is inspired by Stu's golf buddy Bradley, who, honest to God, eats 3 to 5 Big Macs per week, and also, rumor has it, has stayed in line for 3 hours waiting for a burger at In-N-Out Burger. So with this recipe, I'll attempt to get Bradley off the streets and off the line waiting for burgers. He can make this great casserole at home. I don't think he cooks though. This recipe, along with all the products you see me using here, will be in the description below. We do have a cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, available on Amazon and as an ebook. Remember to subscribe to our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. And if you love the content and the humor, please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. Smooshy that like button, hit that notification bell. It will help our channel grow and we can bring you these weekly videos. I am ready to cook the Big Mac casserole. This one's for you, Bradley. Let's cook. The traditional Big Mac sauce does not use ketchup, but I added 1 teaspoon just because I like ketchup on my burgers. Instead of the traditional bun, we are using these biscuits. Of course, an ode to Bradley, who is our southerner here.